As the news of hundreds of job cuts spread to the CSIRO's furthest reaches, the sector delivered a strong response.
10 years from now, I'm wondering if we're going to be looking around going, where are the scientists that we need?
Rather than focusing on what might be lost, today the CSIRO was adding to its list of new priorities, which include clean energy, biosecurity and AI.
We certainly want to focus on One Health, so that intersection between the environmental health, agricultural health and community health.
There's still been no word on which areas of research will have jobs cut, but the organisation's chief says funding pressure is forcing it to rationalise.
Over the last 40 years, our investment in R&D as a nation has declined in a way that's very worrying. That's both from the viewpoint of private sector investment, but also government investment.
CSIRO funding as a percentage of gross domestic product has fallen consistently for decades. Advocates worry its greatest innovations, which include AirGuard and Wi-Fi, could all be in the past.
These are amazing ideas that we probably wouldn't have known where they would have led to when we first doing these. So to say what's lost, it's hard. Like, this is future industries, future jobs.
And there's concern about the message to Australia's future scientists.
I've already had science teachers reach out to me questioning how do they explain this to their school children.
Sweeping cuts are nothing new at Australia's National Science Agency. David Lovell, who spent 17 years there, was protesting job cuts a decade ago.
When cuts like this happen, it has a pretty devastating impact on morale.
His fear that Australia can't know what it might need down the track.
We can't predict when we're going to need these scientific capabilities, so we get rid of them at our peril.
It's only a few years since the pandemic, a reminder of how scientific expertise can protect against the unforeseen. Peter Lusted, ABC News, Canberra.